हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः। अद्य भाषा प्रवेश प्रथमभागस्य 58तमे कक्ष्यार्थं भवतां सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. I think I always wanted to do this kind of exercise, but we don't get the time, so I thought we'll do it now. Okay, the exercise is something like this. I will flash some words on the screen. You need to come up with what you know about that word, plus you need to give some examples using that sentence or word. Okay, hope you got it. So I will flash some words. It may be avyayams or non-avyayams, or it can be kriya padam, or it can be anything as of that sort. You need to identify what kind of word it is, and if what you know about that you can tell, plus you can frame some sentences on that. Okay, hope that is fine. It will be easier, but it's more about more for the conversational part. I'll start the Q&A. The first one is cha. So anybody would like to attempt? Let's be a little quick because we have more sentences, but let's quickly answer and move on. Yeah. So what do you know about cha? Plus, if you already answered, you can skip that read description of cha again. If nobody has given any of your thoughts, then you can put your thought. Plus, you can give some example on this.
Hello.
Yeah.
Cha means, see, for example, aham mama pita mata agraja cha devalayam gacchami. I am going with my mother and father and brother to the temple.
No, can you repeat the sentence?
Agam mama pita mata agraja cha devalayam gacchami.
It's not gachama, it is gachamaha.
Oh, we have to. I thought it's agam. It starts with agam. No, I thought it's end with the gachami.
No, aham, but still there are other people also along with you. That means it's vayam.
So when you want to say many things, then at the end of that, suppose for example, laddugam, badusha, jangri, cha, kadami, agam kadami. So like that, when you want to add many things, at the end of that, we add this cha.
We have to use cha. Okay, perfect. At the end of multiple set of lists, we can actually use cha at the end. That's good. And the example is also correct. Let's move on to the next one.
Rama, Lakshmana, Rama, Sita, Lakshmana cha vanam gacchanti.
No, you're focusing on cha, but you're missing other things. Ramaha, Lakshmanaha.
Oh, sorry. Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Sita cha. Sorry. Shamita.
Can you complete the remaining
Ramaha
Sita cha?
Vanam gacchanti.
Yeah, go ahead. Vanam gacchanti. Samyak.
It's an avyayam. That means it can be used with all vibhaktis. And I think I remember saying that it was optional. That we don't always need to say cha. I'm not sure.
Perfect. Okay. This is something new. Okay. Next.
Is it okay? That is correct, no, sir?
No, I mean new in the sense in our discussion it is a new thing, but it's a correct one. Yes.
Okay. So the sentences would be aham pathami likhami cha, or we could say Lakshmanasya Shatrughnasya cha mata Sumitra asit.
Uttamam. Perfect. Okay. So two things. So cha is generally used in all the. If you want to specify multiple things, you can use cha at the end. Second is it can be for any vibhakti or it can be for any kriya padam. I mean set of kriya padams or set of different words in different. I mean words in different words in same vibhakti. And of course cha is optional. Perfect.
Ramaha, Lakshmanaha, Somaha cha Vidyalayam Gatavantaha.
Samyak, Uttamam. Okay, so next one is I will open the next one. Next one is na. So what do you know about na, and can you frame some sentences using na? Hari Om.
Na Hari Om. Mahodaya, na is I don't Ramaha Vanam na gachati. Is not going to the, not going. That is action is negative action. And sometimes when you can add it with asti, nasti, it can become nasti. And nasti, that is na. Then
any example? Any other example?
Aham na patami. Adya na patami. I am not reading today.
Uttamam.
Na is used to say when a particular verb in the sentence is not, that action is not happening. Na gachati, na pathati, like that. So Ramaha aranyam gachati, Bharataha na. So we can say this. So it means Bharata does not go to the forest. So it's
perfect.
Understood.
Yeah.
And sir, is it compulsory for cha to be used at the end of the word? Can we not say
Yes.
Ramaha cha Lakshmanaha?
It has to be at the end, but not necessarily at the end of the list. But for each item in the list, you can use cha. But cha, of course, it will be after the item. So Ramaha cha, it's not like a cha Ramaha cha Sita. It's a Ramaha cha Sita cha. It should be at the end, after the actual word.
So we cannot say Ramaha Lakshmanaha cha Sita. It will be wrong.
No, that is wrong. That's English style.
Okay, got it, sir. Yeah. Dhanyavad, sir.
The next one.
So, as I told, na is used for not something. I will give you the example. Aham maduram na kadami. I will not eat sweet.
Samyak. So one more question for others. Meanwhile, na you can use it for kriya padam, but for one lakara which we have studied, the na is not applicable for that. Na we cannot use for one particular lakara. So if anybody knows, you can actually come online and answer them. Let's move on.
Hari Om, sir.
Hari Om.
Na is indeclinable, and generally it is used to say to deny or to object. Say if we don't want to do some task, or say if we do not want to give any say answer or like that, then we say use this word na. So say if I don't want to drink, so I can say aham na pibami or aham na khadami. So normally it is used to say no. That means when we want to object something or to decline something.
Yeah, Samyak. Okay, so now the next one is api.
So regarding that question on na, I think instead of na, ma is used, and I have read few sentences for lot, like ma vadatu, ma likhatu, instead of na vadatu.
Yes,
but
and
I don't know if
well
na
known
is
is
also
ma astu, ma astu.
mastu. Yes.
And
yes,
na,
sir.
if you use na, that is absolutely the grammatical error. You cannot use na.
Error only. Okay, but in other places instead of na, ma cannot be used. Like na likhati,
No,
we cannot
no.
say ma likhati. Okay.
No.
So it is specifically only for lot. Ma is used.
Yes, lot and few other lakaras, but for now it's a lot for us.
For us. Okay, we have learnt it in lot. Okay. So api is to say and. So api also, rather, not and, also. So we can use it for pratipadikam as well as kriyapadam. Like we can say Ramaha api likhati. Rama also writes. Ramaha likhati api. So Rama writes also. So like that it can be used with all vibhaktis to specify that particular meaning and also with it.
Uttamam.
Ahamapi agachami. I am also coming.
Yeah, next one is yatha and tatha. So meaning and as well as one example.
Yatha tatha is to say, for example, yatha mata pachati, tatha putri api pachati. Like how mother cooks, the same way the daughter also cooks. So yatha, like, so, and to convey that meaning when we are comparing two objects. So they can be used. I think it doesn't, the tense does not matter here. Yatha adya asti tatha shvaha bhavishyati. So one in present and the other. So that way also it is okay. And there are no strict rules, I think, as far as the gender or the noun is concerned. Is it in general like that, sir? Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Hari Om. Yata raja tata praja. Yata raja tata praja.
Uttama.
So how the raja is like that, people also.
Uttama.
Hari Om Mahodaya.
Hari Om.
Like it can also be used for negative, like yata aham karomi, tata bhavan na karoti. Na karoti. Don't do the way I am doing.
Yeah, Uttamam.
Namo namaha. Yata ashvaha davati tata gajaha na davati.
Yeah, the next one is yadi and tarhi.
Sir, yadi and tarhi, this both can be used in the vibhaktis. So far we have learned, and without say means yadi, the second word, the tarhi, we cannot use, it is not can be fulfilled. So if yadi is fulfilled in the sentence, then only we can use tarhi. Means it is complementary to the yadi. Means yadi varsha bhavati.
What is? Can you give one example? Yeah, yadi varsha bhavati.
Yadi varsha bhavati, tarhi aham chhatra nayami, like
Chatram nayami. Yeah, that's right.
nayami means
So if it rains, I carry the umbrella.
means if it is raining, then only I will carry umbrella. But without carrying, say without this rain, we cannot carry umbrella unnecessarily. Means like that. It is fulfilling the yadi. That's why. Thank you, sir.
So yadi tarhi is if then, to say if, usage of if then. So like he said, tarhi can be used with yadi, but yadi by itself can also be used without tarhi. And
Okay, example.
Yadi tvam agachasi aham api gachami. If you come, I will also go.
No, it should be the other way. Yadi can be skipped, but tarhi generally not skipped actually.
So tarhi is not skipped.
Yes.
What I meant to say is yadi can be used by itself on its own without tarhi. That's not right?
No.
Yadi adya. Okay, so both. So whenever yadi is used,
If tarhi is not there, that means will be used. Yes. If tarhi is not there, it is added actually. Yeah. Astu.
Okay. So yadi shvaha viramah bhavishyati tarhi aham gachami. So I will go. If tomorrow will be a holiday, then I will go.
Hari Om. Yadi bubuksha asti tat Hari Om. Yadi bubuksha asti tarhi bhojanam kadami. Or yadi jvaram asti tarhi medicine kadami. Swikaromi. औषधं स्वीकरोमि.
औषधं स्वीकरोमि. यदि ज्वरः अस्ति तर्हि औषधं स्वीकरोमि. उत्तमम्.
यदि धनम अस्ति तर्हि दानं करोति. When there is a money, you can.
It is not yati, it is yadi.
यदि धनम अस्ति तर्हि दानं करोति. When you have the money, we can donate.
Yeah, danam karoti means somebody else is donating. Yeah, astu.
Donate. यदि समय अस्ति.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
हरि ओम महोदय.
हरि ओम.
यदि शिशुः रोदिति तर्हि माता दुग्धं ददाति.
सम्यक्.
If the child cries, mother gives milk.
उत्तमम्. Yeah. The next one is iti.
बालकः उत्तिष्ठतु इति जननी वदति.
It's hey balaka uttishthatu, uttishta or uttishthatu, right? Uttamam. Next.
Aham namami iti chhatrah vadati. So iti is used when we are quoting a person's speech. So like some sentence, as he says, he said like this. So with iti we can also use instead of iti we can also use yat. Like chhatrah vadati yat aham namami. Again the same in verbatim, but with the words rearranged. So iti and yat they used similarly.
Astu.
Hari Om Mहोदय. Iti is an avyaya which has to be used whenever there is a quote. Immediately after the quote, that iti should follow. And whatever is the quote in the, it will not change the tense or vachanam or lingam outside the quote. So as whatever is told by the person, that will come in the whatever was said, the same kartari prayoga, whatever is used, it won't change with the next rest of the sentence. And aham adami iti saha uktavan. So he said, I will speak. So it's like that.
He said, I speak. He said that I speak. He said in double quotes, I speak. Yeah.
He said, I speak.
Yeah.
पाकं सम्यक् अस्ति इति मम पुत्री वदति. Today cooking is good. My daughter too.
उत्तमम्.
हरि ओम्. इति अल्पः इत्युक्ते न्यूनः. So that means.
But it is not ityukte. It is iti.
Iti ukte. Alpah.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Iti ukte. Alpah iti ukte nyunah. Alpah means nyunah. So we can use there also, no?
Yes.
Okay. And
oh, I skipped it. I'm sorry. Okay. Hari Om.
Hari Om. Sanskritam eva Rajabhasha bhavet iti Dr. Ambedkar uktavan.
Uttamam. Okay, I think that's all. So I think we are already 8:32, 2 minutes over the time. I'm sorry extending it. We will end today's session. I think I have few more such words also listed, but maybe whenever we get time like this, we will practice that like that. And if it is good, we'll continue doing this. Else we will see what else we can do there. Okay. So with that, we'll end today's session now. The Sankshepa, we have completed the book, 40th lesson in the book, that is Kintu Nischayena Pravesha Khalu and Apekshaya. With all the exercises. Of course, it's just a 2-page lesson, and the remaining time we spent on doing some abhyasas, like kind of revising the older topics and understanding about a few more, giving some examples on the few avyayams and some conversational sentences. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching this video online. If there are any questions or if you want to interact with the teachers or students, please log into forum.sanskrit.today. You can even join our Telegram group. You can find the link for the Telegram group in our course page. And subscribe to this channel Sanskrit.today to watch more videos like this, and share this video with your friends and interested people or group. and make use of the comment section below the video. If you have any feedback or suggestions, or if you have anything to discuss, you can post them on the comment section. And finally, click on the like button of this video. Thank you for watching this video online. Let us meet in the next session. Dhanyawadaha.